welcome back. Now we are here and I'm presenting you part 2 of the reproductive system. So let's go. Today we are diving into something called as a male reproductive system. Okay, so let's dive in. What we'll be learning in this chapter, we'll learn about the key areas of male reproductive system. We'll learn about the role of the male reproductive system. We'll explain how sperm and urine are moved around in the very same system. Okay, so let's go in. What is the role of male reproductive system? Okay, key role of a male reproductive system is to produce sperm cell which is in the testes and release them in the female. If a sperm cell successfully release or reaches an egg and its fertilization occurs, embryo will be formed. Embryo will develop into a baby over the course of pregnancy. Male reproductive system is again controlled by hormones. Okay? So, number one that I've already highlighted in the diagram, number one is the penis. Penis is used for both urination and sexual intercourse. It's made up of spongy tissue and blood vessels. Also contains the urethra, which the sperm and the urine pass through, leaving the body. Then you have testes. Male reproductive system has two testes. The key role of this testes includes millions of sperm cells and hormones. Hormones produced in testes impacts the way the male body develops in puberty. Then we have three, that's the foreskin. Foreskin is a retractable fold of skin which covers the end of a penis. Then we have scrotum. Scrotum is a bag of skin which contains the two testes. It's like a ball, okay? And then you have the urethra. Urethra is a hollow tube which transports urine from a bladder to outside the body, also transports sperm in the same hole. Then we have the sperm ducts. The main role of the sperm ducts are to transport sperm that's away from the testes when sperm is made. Then we have the glands. There are a number of different glands in the male reproductive system, but the one that we can look into is called as prostate gland, which mixes with the sperm to supply the sperm with good nutrients and help them to regulate the urine flow. That's what the prostate gland helps for. Then we have the bladder. The bladder temporarily stores urine in the body, helps expel urine from the body by sending nerve signals to the nervous system, which tells the brain that whether you need to go to the toilet or not. Okay. Then we have internal parts and functions of the male reproductive system. Again, important. We have the epididymis. It's a narrow coiled tube that stores immature sperm cells until they mature when they are temporarily stored before they release. Then we have the urethra that I told you. It's a passageway of both urinary bladder and semen from the glands. Then we have the seminal vesicles. They're like sac-like pouches attached to the vas deferens that's below the bladder. Produces a sugar-rich fluid that provides energy to the sperm cells motility. Then we have the vas deferens, long muscular tube that serves as a passageway of sperm cells that's released from the testes. Also connects the testes to the seminal vesicle and the urethra. Then we have the Cowper's gland, which is one of the most bilateral gland. It's two pea-sized organs, very small, found beneath the prostate gland, responsible for releasing or fluid that flushes out foreign matter, neutralizes the acidic nature of urine in the urethra. Then we have the prostate gland. It's a walnut-sized gland located between the bladder and the penis. Secretes a fluid that nourishes and protects the sperm cells. Okay, then we've come to the end of the chapter. We'll start the drill again. I present before you two questions. Put them down in the comment box and I will get back to you. Okay, what are the primary functions of testes and where are they located? Describe the pathway of sperm from the testes to ejaculation. Name the accessory glands that contribute to semen. Thank you all for coming on this journey of male reproductive organs. You have any doubts, put them in the comment box and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to answer the two questions that I have put forward so you get a special goodie from Paathshala. Wanna learn more? Wanna explore more? You know what to do. Follow Paathshala.